Hello everyone, this is Pura Vida Culture. My name is Obed Arguedas and today we are going to teach you how to make banana ceviche. It's a ceviche from green bananas. I'm right here in my parents' backyard in Costa Rica and I'm going to show you a little bit of the, I don't know if you have seen the plantain trees. They're all over there, you can see the plantains. We also have bananas, of course. We have mangoes, cas. We have celery right here, and different stuff. So the bananas are over there in the corner. So we're going to get them and show you how we do it. Well, we have a little situation right here. It's kind of funny because this is the banana that we're going to cut, but this right here in the middle of the fence. So over there is kind of high. So I'm going to see how can I cut it without falling or without letting the banana fall. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to try to get this thing here. To get it from here. I might go there, but that is what I was trying to do. That is what I was trying not to do, but you know, it fell. So I just have to go to the other side and get it. So
let's go.
It's kind of funny, but you know, one right here on the other side, it was a completely failure, but the banana is fine. So you normally cut the banana down, but you know, because the fence is on the way, I can't really go in there, so I gotta do it on the top. But you know, the banana is good, and now we're going to make the ceviche. Putting this back. Be careful because if you're going to, you have to cut it outside. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the bananas. Make sure to use gloves because this will stain and it's really hard to take it off, even from your hands. So you just take both ends off. Here, and here. You make right here, this right here. You just open it a little bit with the knife, and then you use your hands.
Kind of like the patacones.
Yeah, kind of like the patacones. You just use your hands. If they are they're still not. This one, you know, I got a little piece there, but put them there, and you keep doing the same thing. Both ends off. You make a cut in the middle. And make sure don't take your gloves off because you will regret it. We peel all the bananas. Now we're just going to cook them. You boil the water, and after the water is boiling, you're going to put all the bananas there. Right now I have 30 bananas. But if you don't want to make that much, you just cut the recipe in half, or also you get half the recipe and cut it in half again. It's up to you. Because this is for a lot of people, this is for the whole family. Because this is just a side. So just put everything there and let it cook until you just keep checking, and when they're soft, they will be ready. Something that I didn't mention, before you put the make sure you add salt before you put the bananas in. You add some salt to the water. Just try the water, that make sure that it's salty, and you put the bananas. So the bananas are cooked. They cook for 15 minutes after the water was boiling. So we are going to cut them in little pieces. So you just take this black part off. You're just going to do like in little slices. just going to get it. This banana is hot, too hot. So little slices like that. They are already cooked, so they're really soft. So you put them in a container or something where you're going to mix everything. And we are going to need 1 roll of cilantro, finely chopped, half a cup of onions, and half a cup of bell pepper. Around 15, we're going to use limes, but you can also use lemons. Either way is fine. I'm going to see how many we're going to use. At the end, I will let you know the exact amount, but they're around 15. So now I'm just going to keep chopping this. We finished cutting all the bananas. Look at them. So now we're going to make the sauce. So we squeeze all the lemons right here into this bowl. We put 20 lemons. So we are going to add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. We're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to add 250 grams of ketchup. All the ketchup right there. And this, of course, this is also you have to try at the end, because some people like a little more acidic, some people like a little sweeter, you know. So it so depends on the taste. So you have to try. If you think it's too acidic for you, it's like the other ceviche. So you have to try at the end and see. 1 tablespoon of salsa Lizano, and now you're going to add all the vegetables, the cilantro. Oops, forgot that was glass. You're going to add the onions and the bell pepper. You're going to mix it all together, and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And of course, after that, you're going to try everything. So I'm going to try all this and see how it tastes, and I'll let you know how much I add. So we finished with the sauce. I add more ketchup because it was still too acid. So I add like 100 more grams of ketchup. And something that I didn't mention at the beginning, make sure that when you peel the lemons or limes, whatever you want to use, peeling all of them, not just half, because if you don't, you're going to feel the taste from the, what is the name of this, Meg?
Yes.
Yeah, from the zest. So now we're going to pour all this into the bananas. You're going to mix it right here. Look at this, guys. And what I'm going to do right now, because this is going to be for kids and adults as well, so I'm going to get half and put it into other bowl, and I'm going to add jalapenos. I'm going to add jalapenos in pieces right here into this one, and just going to mix it. So if you like jalapenos, actually, by the way, the Mahler ones are very good if you're in Costa Rica. And it's ready. Well, thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.